Does this happen to you? Your guitar fall off from your strap, or you witness others experience the same. To remedy this situation, watch this video. Greetings, I'm Bijak, and this is ever proficient yet dumb minion of mine named Notre Al-Namid. Such names suggest a foreign origin, which I have no knowledge of it. Imagine a scenario where you're playing a guitar for some time and all of a sudden your guitar fall off. This could happen for various reasons. It could happen due to mishandling the instrument, or in an extreme cases, a reckless, abusive type of guitar playing. While some are less reckless than other, guitar strap slip off do happen occasionally, even in a professional rock concert setting. Some people have an appetite for destruction. How disturbing. Have you ever experienced strap lock slip off while you're playing, or yourself have a tendency to self-destruct? Leave the comments down below. I would like to know. Guitar strap slip off usually happen when there is wear and tear on the strap hole. From time to time, the strap hole will getting bigger. In addition to it, the aggressive style of playing and the weight of a particular guitar, such like Gibson Les Paul, will make the strap hole tear greatly. Fun fact: average guitar weight between 3 to 5 kilograms. Les Paul weight anywhere from 4 to 5 kilograms. Strap slip off will happen easily even in the casual guitar pose. In order to reduce the chances of slip off, using strap lock is a solution to go. Each strap lock is identical, either to be installed on the neck or at the bottom of the guitar. Every pair of guitar strap lock consists of two parts: the button and the strap lock. The button is the one to be screwed to the guitar body, and the strap lock is the one to be attached at the end of the strap. This strap lock button is uniquely designed for the strap lock, and it's not the same with the ordinary strap button. There's a dip on the screw front providing a latch mechanism for the lock. On the locking part, there's a nipple-like handle with an internal spring mechanism enables you to disengage the lock by pulling it. Washer and nut is the one that holds the strap end to the strap lock. While the strap lock provides a convenient mechanism for attach and detach from the button. Once it locked, I don't think it's likely to slip off any soon or ever. I used to think that the locking mechanism works like a carabiner, but simply snap on. In actuality, it works pretty much like a door latch, but with springs. A moment of revelation. For that reason, then you decide to get one of these, but you're wondering how to install. I'm glad you asked. One does not need to be a rocket scientist to install this. It requires a brain. Unless you don't have one, it would be impossible. Boom, 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 boom. Besides a brain, one also requires a tool, at least a correct size screwdriver to remove the screws off the button. Now, we begin by unscrew the old strap button. As I've told you in the beginning, the old strap button is not the same design for the strap lock. If you attempt to match it together, you will fail miserably. In all seriousness, don't worry, explosion is unlikely to happen. It's good to screw the felt together with the button. It protects your guitar body. In this example, using the old felt from the old button. The new felt is not provided in this strap lock purchase. Screw the new button to the guitar body together with the felt. For the strap lock part, remove the nut and the washer. In most cases, for the new strap, sometimes you might want to cut the strap hole bigger when you can't fit the strap lock to the strap hole. And attach it to the strap end. Don't forget to put back together the washer and the nut to secure the strap. Same step goes to the other end of the strap. Easy now. Looks like we have a hang of it now. Whoa. Don't get any crazy idea now. What are you doing? Having gone through the whole video, I bet you might considering to get strap lock, or maybe you might think twice before you do some ridiculous, reckless stunt with your guitar, risking you might damage your guitar. Unless you have a ton of guitars, but still, it's not a good idea. If you do have a ton of guitar, I suggest you give us some of your guitars. Give us the comment down below if you think strap lock is useful and decide to get one for your guitar. And if you like this video and found it useful, don't forget to hit the like and share this video. And subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to put notification bell on because we have more videos to come. Also, don't forget to check our other video in this channel here. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.